My name is Mauricio.
I'm Maria.
And I showed up here in Stafford, like many people, as a Marine. We've been here now for about 4 or 5 years. There was only one owner before, so this is kind of an older neighborhood, and of course, there's a lot of things also older in the house, and the bathrooms were one of those main things that, after a couple years here, we knew we needed to upgrade.
Very outdated.
Very outdated.
And then with the 4 kids, they were just paint coming off the walls. Tile was like an oatmeal colored, not cute.
The wife says, let's get new bathrooms. We had the money for it, already budgeted, so I already had an idea in my mind of what could be spent. So then I went to social media here in the local Stafford area. I went to some friends, and I started asking around, like, what are some of the more well-known names of people that are reputable? I don't have to try to afford cheap this time, right? Like, I can afford a quality contractor who I know is gonna get the job done right, who I know I can trust in my house with my 4 kids and my wife. And so Forte kept popping up. That name just kept popping up. We brought them in, we brought 2 other people in. But the level of detail that Forte had when they came to scoping out the project, I did some research too about bathroom renovations, right? I did a little research. I'm pretty handy, so I was kind of asking the questions, kind of leading questions, and they were nailing them.
Yeah, with the questions they were asking, they were very knowledgeable. They were very organized. They asked the right questions. They made sure we had everything in order, and they supported us every step of the way and made us feel very comfortable. So they completely gutted our hallway bathroom and our master bathroom down to the studs, and they actually staggered it so that a family of 6 actually had a bathroom to use. So they did one bathroom first, finished that project, then went to the second one, but they completely gutted it. As he was saying, they did like the cement boards in the shower, the red guard, made sure everything was waterproofed, everything was incredibly thorough. They laid down the tile for the floor on the shower, installed the vanity. We had some plumbing leak, they fixed that, and they were just incredibly efficient with everything. The workers were so nice, especially the kids. The workers were so nice. They made jokes, they helped one of our kids get a ball out of a tree. One of my kids fell off his bike and the worker helped him up. So we were really comfortable with the workers from the very beginning, but they completely redid everything in our bathrooms is new.
Once the job was done, I really liked the way they handled the review process, right? I had my checklist. I saw some things that some little detailed things I just wanted addressed. They addressed them.
It was always very clear that quality was of the utmost importance when they were doing these projects. Now we have bright white tile, new recessed lighting, and the bathrooms look so much bigger, and it looks like we have more space, and we do have more storage with the new vanities that we have. So it's had a huge impact on our life being a family of 6, having that extra storage and then just having the space look bigger. We would highly recommend Forte Construction because they were so thorough, because they were so organized, because what we wanted was a priority for them every single step of the way.
In business, you get what you pay for. So, we got a really great product, and for an affordable price. It wasn't unaffordable, but it was quality price for quality products. So
we actually loved Forte so much, they're actually going to come back and do our basement. So we're very excited about that.
And
we have an unfinished basement, so another thing being done completely from top to bottom. That's how much we trust them.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.